Right now, as you sit watching this, you probably feel completely still, but you are not. The Earth is hurtling around the Sun at roughly 67,000 miles per hour. The Sun is dragging our entire solar system around the center of the Milky Way galaxy at over 500,000 miles per hour. But even that massive scale hides a much larger and slightly unsettling reality. Our entire galaxy, along with Andromeda and dozens of our neighboring galaxies, is hurtling through intergalactic space at an astonishing 1.3 million miles per hour. For a long time, astronomers assumed this motion was simply a byproduct of the universe expanding, pushing everything apart in random directions. But when scientists actually mapped our trajectory, they realized we aren't just drifting aimlessly. We are moving with terrifying purpose. Our entire galactic neighborhood is being pulled toward a specific, localized point in the cosmos, a gravitational anomaly so massive that it is reeling in thousands of galaxies across hundreds of millions of light years. Astronomers named it the Great Attractor. But when scientists pointed our most powerful telescopes in the exact direction we are being pulled, hoping to see the ultimate cosmic giant, they found a massive problem. They couldn't see anything. The Great Attractor sits exactly behind what astronomers call the Zone of Avoidance. To understand why this happens, you have to picture the shape of our Milky Way. We live inside a flattened, spinning disk made of hundreds of billions of stars, thick clouds of cosmic dust and interstellar gas. When we look up at the night sky, we are looking from inside that disk. If we look up or down out of the galactic plane, the view is clear and we can see deep into the universe. But if we try to look horizontally, directly through the thickest part of our own galaxy, the starlight and dust block everything behind it. The Milky Way's own body effectively blinds us to about 20% of the observable universe. And in a cruel twist of cosmic irony, the Great Attractor is located perfectly behind the thickest, dustiest, most impenetrable part of the Zone of Avoidance. For decades, this anomaly was one of the most frustrating mysteries in astrophysics. We could measure the gravitational pull, but we were completely blind to the source. It was like feeling the wind in a dark room, but not being able to see the fan. It wasn't until the advancement of X-ray and radio astronomy that scientists finally began to pierce the veil. Unlike visible light, which gets easily absorbed and scattered by cosmic dust, X-rays and radio waves can travel straight through the thickest parts of the Milky Way. When astronomers finally scanned the Zone of Avoidance using these wavelengths, the hidden universe slowly revealed itself. Behind the dust, they found massive superclusters of galaxies. The most prominent is called the Norma Cluster, a chaotic, incredibly massive region of space where entire galaxies are actively colliding and merging. For a moment, scientists thought they had finally unmasked the Great Attractor. But when they calculated the total mass of the Norma Cluster, the math didn't add up. It was massive, absolutely, but it was still only about 10% of the mass required to pull the Milky Way at 1.3 million miles per hour. The Norma Cluster wasn't the Great Attractor. It was just another object being pulled toward it, just like us. The true breakthrough came in 2014, when a team of astronomers tried a completely different approach. Instead of just looking for heavy objects, they mapped the exact movement of 8,000 different galaxies in our cosmic neighborhood. They didn't map where the galaxies were, they mapped where they were flowing. The resulting map completely revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. It revealed that galaxies do not sit in isolated clusters. They flow along invisible, interconnected cosmic threads of dark matter and gas, like water flowing down mountain streams into a central valley. They discovered that the Milky Way is just one tiny speck sitting on the edge of an unimaginably vast, previously unknown supercluster of 100,000 galaxies. They named it Laniakea, a Hawaiian word meaning immense heaven. And this is where the mystery of the Great Attractor was finally properly categorized. The Great Attractor is not a single physical object. It is not a supermassive black hole or a giant dark star. Based on our current understanding of cosmic mapping, it is the gravitational focal point of the entire Laniakea Supercluster. It is the lowest point in our cosmic valley. Just as water naturally flows downhill into a central basin, the immense collective gravity of 100,000 galaxies creates a central hub that everything in our massive region of space is inexorably flowing toward. While the exact center remains difficult to observe perfectly due to the zone of avoidance, astronomers are now confident that the Great Attractor is the gravitational center of mass for our cosmic neighborhood. It is a brilliant reminder that gravity doesn't just pull apples to the ground, it weaves the entire universe into a moving, flowing, connected web. What do you think? Are you satisfied with the explanation of the Laniakea Supercluster? Or do you think there is still undiscovered mass hiding completely unseen behind the dust of the Milky Way? Drop your theories in the comments below. If you want to explore more about the most extreme and unexplained phenomena lurking in the dark corners of space, be sure to watch the next video. Make sure to follow ScienceION, and I'll see you in the cosmos.